Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host on Intellect Digest, and today we have got something really interesting here. If you're someone who likes to keep a track of temperature and humidity around your home and you don't have an accurate way to do so, this is a miniature sensor by Xiaomi. Yes, this is a Xiaomi product. This sticker is actually hiding the MI branding here. This Xiaomi product lets you measure temperature and humidity using the Xiaomi Smart Home app. So you must have seen smart home app, and the same app is used to control the Xiaomi home products, including the Xiaomi lights and also some other products like air purifiers, etc. This is one of their smart home products, and this is how tiny it is. It's like size of a big coin, and all the magic is inside here. Apart from that, in the package you also get this extra two-sided sticker. So if you want to paste it on one of the walls or glass surfaces at your home, one of these is already here, and it runs using a replaceable battery. And let me try open this up. This one comes with a button sort of battery which runs for a few months, and all you need is a Xiaomi Mi Home app, and you have to connect this to your Wi-Fi network or home network. And once you do that, everything else is done on the application or the app that you installed. There is nothing to be done on this device. This is just like a passive device which does have a battery and a button on top to power it on. So you just saw an LED go on. So there is this blue LED right here, and if you have to replace the battery, you have to open this up from here. Slightly tricky, so let me try it with a coin. Yes, I managed to open this. Probably I just dented it a bit. It's plastic. So here is the battery that is inside. This is a lithium battery, a standard 3-volt battery that you can easily find in market. And this is how it opens up, and this is how it locks. You just slightly turn it, and there is only single button to operate it, to turn it on, off, or pair it. And this is how simple it is. This is a temperature and humidity sensor. It has some openings here and a button here, and this is how simple and tiny this is. If you want to pick up one for yourself, it is just around $12, and I picked it up from Banggood. I'm leaving Best Buy link in the description section where you can pick one up for yourself. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up. For more videos, stay subscribed. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.